It is me, JP. Welcome to another exciting episode of Spider Sprue. Today we'll be doing the ultimate electronic kit from Mike Lane. Yes, that means disassembling some of that and things that we get. Here we are. Nice packaging as always. Let's get this open and see what's inside. Too close to the camera. So you can find the instructions online for this. It tells you what it should have inside and all that good stuff. So let's open it. Let's open it up. So we have this. I don't want to open it up yet. It's got all sorts of things in here. So what we get is the KITT Alpha Circuit Pro, which is this here. As you can see, it gets powered by USB-C. All sorts of lovely things in there. Won't open that yet. Get some of the dashboard here already. I didn't put it at 0, I put it at 200, but you can also get this to 0, so it's entirely up to you. Options, we like options. I also have this piece, which is, this is the extension cable 4. More things in here. You open here, then we got some extension cables. So extension cables, lights, I think they're for the back, side lights, indicators, more cables, remote control, so we don't have to worry about that watch running out, which is a bonus, and speaker. So that's what we get in the box. There you go. There you go. Instructions. You can scan that code. There you go. Also inside this box, what Michael said. So I got to stage 82, so I need to do some prep, so we need to take all this off. So let's start doing that now, shall we? Put this back in its box. All the instructions are online, put in the description down below. So, preparing your model step by step. Now what we need to do, take this off. I could have cleaned it, couldn't I? So we'll have to do some unscrewing. So that is basically here. Here. Gonna keep the screws in here so don't lose them. One here, and one at the back. So that should just lift off. There you go. So that's that piece off. Then we take this piece off. Again, keep the screws with the items. so we don't lose them. Okay, remove the fuel tank cover and fuel tank filler pipe. These items will not be refitted as they will interfere with the Pro speaker and the Alpha Circuit Pro, so we don't need this piece. Now fortunately, if you've got a power mod from a third party, not Mike Lane, you cannot use this, so you need to take that out as well. Sorry, Chloe. Okay. Next is I'm going to take all the wires out now. Okay, I've took all these out. Now I'm going to take this out. So what we need to do is, right, remember the steering wheel that I took ages trying to put in? We're taking that off. So we need to take the pan off. Right, okay. Hopefully this will work. Don't know if you can see that. So there's that screw there that connects this. So there's one there. Come on, how you come? And spin it to the other side, and again there's one on the other side. One way to get the screw out. So now that's off. Then we need to take one there, that one there, and on the other side too. So hopefully that's come off now. Yeah, take the pipes out as well. We put into its place, and then I'm gonna take this wire tidy out. Okay, now we've got that off. So what I need to do is take this off as well. So I'll be taking them off from here. Remember, try and keep the screws with the items that you're taking off. Now we can take all these wires again. Let's take all the extensions off. Go, that's that one. Try and put all these wires somewhere safe. Right, just put that to the side. Right, now we've split that down. So yeah, now we can take the speaker out. So we keep these because we're going to reuse these. I'm going to take that out. Now we're going to take the circuit board out. And again, we're going to keep the PM screws because we're going to reuse them. Put them over there. Circuit board out this way. And now we take Chloe's mod out. If I remember right, I just glued this in anyway. Yeah, I did. And that can just go through. Because remember, I lost the nut for some unknown reason. So it's looking something like that. Right, now we're going to prepare the dashboard. Oh, that's so light. Here we go, dashboard. 2 have taken out already. 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. We have BP screw here, BP screw here, here, and here. That should just come out. There you go. So, put this to the side. Then we're going to take this off. So we need to take the lights out again. So that's all them. Right. So if I take this off from Part Work Upgrades, that's the side, and then just take everything out. got the monitor mod from MyClane. Here it is. What it's saying is you don't need this anymore, because that's going to get powered somewhere else. The Y and black and grey, the black and grey power, so you don't need that one either. That can come out. And the black and grey Y splitter cable, which I took out already. I don't need the Go one either, so you don't need that one. Oh, come on. There you go. So you don't need that. So also you don't need J and G light bulbs. So I don't need that one. Don't need that. I think the G was the TV screen, wasn't it? I think. Anyway, you don't need that either. So that is all that complete now. So I'm going to put the screens to the side. That to the side. Get all this and put that to the side. Don't think I've got anything on there anymore, apart from the red lights there. So that this belongs to Mike Lane's mod. So everything is all like it should be. Okay. Can't do the side markers yet because I haven't got to that part yet, so we can do that together when we get to that stage. That's in stage 83. But we can do the new scanner. If you've attached this already, you just take that off, but I haven't got to that stage yet, so that's even better. We need to... Right, it's upside down, so we need to take this one off. Like that, so that can come off. Both sides. Then we take this piece off. Doing well, doing well. And we take the scanner piece off. Then we take this piece off. So now the front bumper is ready for Mike Lane's scanner. And preparing the taillights, I can't do the preparing the taillights because I haven't got that stage yet, but there is a bit of drilling to do by the looks of it. I hope you enjoyed that episode of Spider Sprue. That was a lot of disassembling, things I don't like to do, but it'll be worth it. Yes, it will be. Anyway, if you'd like to get this for yourself or any other Mike Lane mods, down in the description below I put a link where to get them. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. If you already haven't given it a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. And hopefully the reassembling it will be much better than the disassembling part. So let's get building or disassembling. Do close the camera.